Alright everybody, what's going on? How y'all doing? I'd like to welcome y'all to the channel, Trapping Tees, nothing but a tea thing. So, my name is Raheem, Street Geek Boyd. I will be your host. I will be your guru. And pretty much today what I'm going to be going over is how to cheat your way into graphic design game. If you don't really know how to draw or don't really know how to use a lot of software or don't have the money or budget to be able to get the higher end softwares, I'm gonna show you a way that you can come up with something for pretty much free. Now this is not for you to go really mainstream with, but if you want to get started or get some ideas for some designs, you can go this route. I'm not encouraging any copyright infringement or anything like that, so we'll get into a little bit of that later on down the line. So without any further ado, I guess let's jump into my computer. So I'm gonna go to the internet here, and I'm going to go to Canva, which is free. They also have an app you can download on your phone. I got another video where I made a quick text logo. You can check that out. Let's see. So we're going to create a t-shirt design. So I actually have it right here. I'm going to click it here. In this tutorial, I'm kind of going to breeze through it, but I'm going to try to talk you through it. So Canva basically is like your Photoshop. You're going to go on here, you're going to do some editing to your photos, arrange the text, that type of stuff. There's another one which I do use called Pixlr, and it is very good as well. I'm also going to show you a program that you can use to remove the background from any image. So if you have a person you need to crop out, or there's a car or something you want to put on a shirt, I'm going to show you a free way to get that out of any picture. So we got a clean slate here, just a blank page. So let's find us a photo. Let's go to Google. And let's see. Let's do a Kobe shirt. Why not? Let's do a Kobe shirt. So I'm gonna look up Kobe PNG. I want that with no background. So I'm gonna go to images. Okay, now when you're searching on Google for images, you want to go over here to the tool section, and you want to click the large size images, because you want to get the best quality that you can get so you can play with it a little bit more. And as you start to size it, resize it, and, transform it, it won't lose that quality. So I'm going to find one here. Let's see. One that's not like being used by everybody. You know what I mean? And you'll find, like, with Google and stuff, there are a lot of images here, man. Like, you can't go wrong looking for stuff. You know what I mean? You just gotta really know what you're looking for. So I'm gonna go with this image right here. Basically, all I'm going to do, I'm gonna right click it. I save my images. A lot of people copy them. I've seen people copy them and just paste them, but I don't know. I save them for future references, just in case I want to revamp the design or something like that. So I'm gonna save it to my downloads. It doesn't matter. So now I have a site. This is the site where I can remove the background. I have it in my bookmarks. So I'm going to go down to right here. It is called clippingmagic.com. I'll leave a link in the description for all of the sites I'm using. But it is very basic. It's very easy. It's really not much to it. So I'm going to take this, the Kobe image that I just downloaded, and I'm going to drag it over here into Clipping Magic. Just gonna upload it. And like I say, this is very simple. Like, this is so simple. Alright, all I'm gonna do is, as you can see, there's like a yellow border around this. And these are the results. So I got the white here, and then I got the white over here, and then on the other side, you can see where the background is gone. That's just black and white type border looking thing, black and white checkerboard looking thing. That is transparency on the computer, if you don't know. Okay, so I've got that. That looks pretty good. I don't have to do any changes here. And that's one thing I do like about this website, is that they do really good on picking it up, like, just right out of the box. Sometimes you can go in and play with it. You can hit the minus button, like if I don't want the sleeve, or I don't want the numbers there, I can take that out. I can move it around with this. I can erase, I can cut. It does a lot. You know what I mean? But like I say, like right out of the box, okay, like I see right here. In this picture, you see the yellow here. That means that these parts are going to be cut out. I don't need them cut out. So I'm going to hit the plus button, because I need to keep those. So now, as you can see, they're gone. And I still get to keep my my stuff here. Alright. So I'm just going to go to download here. And download the small preview. This is all free. So alright, so I'm gonna go back to Canva here, and I'm going to go to uploads. I'll click on upload media, go to my device, and find where the new Kobe that I just made from the Clipping Mask site, Clipping Magic. It's gonna be the top one. So all I do is click that, and it's gonna pull it over onto my canvas. Now I can resize this to where I want it. I'm gonna do it like that right there. Alright, now I'm gonna add some more to this. So let's do 24. Add some text to this. I like to use the heading because it's really big and bold already. I don't have to really do a lot of playing with it. Now, Canva will allow you to, is it Canva? Yeah, Canva will allow you to upload a font, but I think you have to get on the premium. If I'm not mistaken, Pixlr will allow you to actually upload your own fonts. However, they have different effects and things like that for text. So it's kind of pick and choose your poison. Now you can use both by exporting from one and then dragging it into the other one, and adding features that you want to add. But for the most part, I'm just going to use Canva today. I'm going to use this check font. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to edit this. I'm going to change this to 24. Actually, I need the font to be something solid, not the outline. So I'm going to change it. Sorry, my computer's running a little slow. This is my first video, by the way. So if you enjoyed it, or if I'm teaching you something, I appreciate you stopping by, showing me some love. But hit the button, the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. So I'm gonna use Shrinkhand, however you say it. Yeah, I like that. So I'm gonna do 24 across the board here. Right. Alright, so we're gonna size this up. Let's see if I can get it pushed to the back. I'm gonna push it behind him. Drop it down about right there. And I'm actually gonna add some effect to this text, these numbers here. And like I said, they have a few effects here that they don't have over in the other site that I was referring to. But they are both equally as good. Let's see. Use the lift effect to kind of bring it off the page a little bit. I like the splice. I think that looks good. What I'm gonna do is go for that purple. Then I'm going to go up here and change the black to a yellow. Bam. Let's actually change this purple. Change the purple color because it's not spot on. It's a little bit darker than that. So let's go with the gold. Then I'll change the front to that purple color here. Okay. So now I got that. We can do a RIP under here, or we can leave it the way it is, honestly. I mean, it's perfectly fine the way it is to me. So if I move this stuff around, like if I move the text around, you'll see that there's a pink line. That pink line is going to be my center line, so I know that I'm centered. The dotted line I want to say is the center of the Kobe image. No, it's the center of the actual image. And then I think the actual solid line is the center of the actual Kobe image, where I will be lining it up with the Kobe. I'm going to go on the dotted line. Bring this up a little bit too. So there we have it. We just did a Kobe design. That is how you cheat with your graphic designs, I like to call it. These are free sites that you can use to do your graphic work. I'm going to link Pixlr in the description. I appreciate you guys coming through and watching my video. I hope you learned something. Hope I helped you in some type of way. Actions over excuses, man. That's my motto. So, like the video, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and I'll see you next time. Street Geek out.